Hi, good morning. How are you guys? I hope you had a great weekend. Let's get started singing hello. This week, we are going to do another story with lots of animals and a bear. And guess what? It seems like all of the stories we have been reading lately have something in common. Let's see if you can figure out what that thing is, okay? But first, let's sing hello to our otter pledge, take our big breaths, and then we will get into our adventure, okay? All right.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Hi.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Hi.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
All right. So we got our bodies warmed up, right? Now let's work on our brains, okay? You ready? Let's remind ourselves that we are safe. You ready? We're loved. I am safe. I am loved. I am strong. In other words, I got this. We've got this together. Let's make it a great lesson. Are you ready? Let's have some great big breaths. Let's do the drain today. Let's put your hands out. Ready? We're going to fill it up. One. Look. 2. 3. I feel caterpillar calm. I don't know about you. So, we have read several stories. We read a story about Sneezy the Snowman, and we read The Mitten, and now we're going to read a story called Bear Snores On. When do you snore? When do you hear people go? Oh, wake up, Miss Wendy. Oh my, do you hear people snore when they're sleeping? Did you know in the wintertime that bears hibernate? Yep, that is a big word. Hibernate. It's a big word. They eat a whole bunch of food in the fall, and then they go into a cave and they sleep all winter. They sleep all winter long, and then they wake up when it's springtime, when the snow and everything is gone. Well, this is a story about a hibernating bear. Do you think you want to wake up a bear that's sleeping? Oh no, I think he might get mad. Yeah. Okay, so let's read a story about a sleeping, snoring bear and some very brave animals. Okay? See what animals are the same from last week and which ones are different. Okay. Here Here we go. Bear snores on. I'm going to make me a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, here he is. There he is sleeping. Bear is snoring. It is winter. Bear is sleeping in the cave. Do you see him? He is sleeping in the cave. Yes, he is. There we go. Bear is sleeping. It's windy and loud, but Bear does not wake up. Bear snores on. Does Bear wake up? No. Snores on. Mouse comes into the cave and he says, "Oh my, it's too dark." And he lights a fire. Mouse makes fire. Oh boy, be careful, Mouse. Fire is, ow, ooh, it's hot. Oh my. Who made the fire? The mouse made the fire. Yes, Mouse made a fire. Bear does not wake up from the fire. Bear snores on. He is sleeping. Does he wake up? Did he wake up? No, he did not wake up. Here, Hare comes into the cave. Hare is another word for bunny. Bunny and Mouse eat popcorn and drink hot tea. Ow! Be careful, the tea could be hot. Mouse and Bunny make popcorn. Who came to the cave? Yeah, the bunny came next. Yep. What did they eat? They ate popcorn. I like popcorn. Mouse and Bunny make noise. Ooh, they're pop, 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 pop. But Bear snores on. He's still sleeping. Does Bear wake up? No, he's still sleeping. Badger, remember we had a mouse and a bunny and a badger in our last story, didn't we? Badger comes to the cave and he brings nuts to share with his friends. See, he has nuts. They eat nuts. Who came to the cave? The badger came to the cave, yes. What did Badger bring? Did he bring pie or nuts? He brought nuts, yes. The friends make noise eating, but Bear does not wake up. Bear snores on. Does Bear wake up? No, he does not. Gopher and Mole, Wren and Raven come to the cave and they dance by the fire. Oh yeah, uh-huh, let's do a little dance. Oh, they are dancing. Remember in our last story, we had a mole Oh, here he is. We had a mole. We did not have birds. And we did not have a gopher. We had a hedgehog, right? Look, the friends make stew. They all work together to make some stew. That's kind of like soup. What did they make? Stew. Yep. And a pepper flake makes bear say, oh, achoo! Uh-oh, he sneezed. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, bear sneeze, makes bear wake up. Who's in my cave? What are you animals doing in my cave? Uh-oh. Does bear wake up? Yes. Bear joins his friends and they dance and they party by the fire. Good thing he did not eat them up, right? He said, "Oh, let's have some fun." Everybody gets tired, but not Bear. Look, the rabbit is sleeping, the mouse is sleeping, the mole is sleeping, the badger and the birds. Is the bear sleeping? No. Bear is not tired, so he lets his friends sleep. He said, "Good night, friends." Does Bear go back to sleep? No. Nope. The end. Wow. So there were some animals in this story that were also in our other stories. Let's see. In the mitten, we had a mole. Was there a mole? Mm-hmm. And a bunny. There was a bunny in this story too. And a badger. We think he looks like a skunk, right? But there was a badger in this story also. And let's see, was there a fox in this story? No, not in the bear story. Was there a hedgehog? No. How about an owl? No, they were not in this story, but there was a bear. Look, there he is. He's in his cave. We are going to retell the story with this bear. He's in his cave. We're going to pretend he's sleeping because he looks like he might be awake. But so let's see. Who came to the cave first? Do you remember? He's little teeny tiny and he says squeak, squeak, squeak. Mouse came first. Let's put Mouse over here next to the bear. Oh, and Mouse was cold. So Mouse started a fire. Be careful, Mouse. Fire is, ow, ooh, it's hot. Fire is hot. Yes. Then who came next? Long ears and he hops. Yep. Then came Rabbit. Did Rabbit jump on the bear's head? No, that would not be smart. Did he jump in on the fire? Ow! No. He was with the mouse. And do you remember what he brought for a treat? It pops and it's white and fluffy. Popcorn. They made popcorn. Yum. Do you think they should put it right in front of the bear? Oh, I don't know. Bear is still sleeping. They also made some hot tea. Shh. Oh, no, not there. Not on the bear. There we go. We'll put it next to the mouse. Next, who came? I think next it was the badger. He's like from the mitten too, right? And the badger came and he brought some nuts. He likes to eat nuts. He brought some nuts to share with his friends. Here with the popcorn. So they can eat popcorn and nuts and they drink the hot tea. Next came the mole and the groundhog. They joined the mouse and the bunny and some birds, a wren and a crow, maybe. There you go. And the birds joined them. And all together, they made some stew. I like stew. It's yummy and it's good on a cold day. I'm surprised Bear's not waking up because it smells so good. When they were making their stew, they were shaking the pepper. Shake the pepper. Uh-oh. What happened? The pepper got in the bear's nose and he went, achoo! Oh my goodness. And he woke up. And then they all had a party, right? That is what happened in our story, right? So let's think. In Sneezy the Snowman, what was the snowman doing all the time? He was sneezing, you're right. In the mitten, the mouse tickled the bear's nose, and what happened? Achoo! Oh, the bear sneezed. And today, in Bear Snores On, what happened in this story? The bear sneezed again. You're right. I think the bear needs to carry around some tissues. What do you think? Bear sneezed. And last week in our story, we had a bunny, and we had a mouse, and we had a mole, and we had a badger. That's kind of cool. All the stories have some things that are the same and some things that are very different, right? That's what's good about stories. They're different and some are the same. Some things that you like, you see over and over again. Like the achoo, sneezing bear. I think it's funny when he sneezes and all kinds of crazy things happen. All right, guys. Well, you go off and be careful. If you see a cave, don't wake up the sleeping bear. Bye. Have a great day.